Right now I'm in Manali. This is day 2. Today morning we have reached by Indo-Canadian Volvo. Took us around 13 to 14 hours. Reached by 9 in the morning. Checked out in this beautiful hotel. It's not far from here, called Apple Country Resort, one of the best resort in Old Manali or Circuit House area. So as the weather, this is anyway rainy season, and rainy season is the tourism season for the Ladakh. So anyway we have to cross this Himachal region where it's rainy, but then it's very beautiful. It's really foggy, and if you just look around here, the nature is beautiful. We have a river, Manalsu river flowing through the mountains just nearby, and the hotel itself, they have a beautiful lawn. The rooms are well equipped, and the atmosphere, ambience is, everything is classy. We tried the breakfast, was damn good. But now it's Mall Road time, so we will be going to the Mall Road and we will walk there. Maybe we need to do some shopping as well. We will eat some momos and thukpa, which is my personal favorite. I have 3 friends with me, whom I introduced to you guys on the very first day at Delhi airport. So all of them are going to try for the first time some Tibetan and Himalayan cuisine. So we are really looking forward to it. We're going to walk down. It's only 2 to 3 kilometers from Old Manali. Anyone who's coming to Old Manali should know that it's only walkable distance. If you're not really, fatigued or tired, ready to walk a little bit, so it's only 2 to 3 kilometers. It takes 70 to 100 rupees for auto, but you can prefer not to go by auto, just walk. This road is beautiful. Evening or a morning walk always is a pleasure. So I will just go right now. See you next time in my next video. Ciao.
ट्राई कीजिए एक बार।
वो तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन बैटरी लगाना पड़ेगा ना।
ये बैटरी निकालती है। हेलो, क्या हुआ?
ये कौन सा रिचार्जेबल है कि यूज एंड थ्रो बैटरी?
ये नहीं, यूज एंड ड्यूरासेल अच्छा है।
वॉइस नहीं आएंगे, बस ये यूज करेंगे।
मेरे को डाल दे रहा हूँ।
Just walked in this beautiful shop. I've done quite a shopping. It's called Laji Garment, and the owner here is Mr. Vivek, a nice charming guy. He helped us finding lots of goods. We have bought some jackets, some trick pants, taken some headlamps, knives and other things. And if you're in Manali going for some trek or some outdoor trips or even photography trip, needed some gears, some dresses for outdoor, this is the ultimate shop in Manali, just nearby from the Mall Road. And this is the card. You can see the address here, and he must tell you the address how to come here. आप थोड़ा बता दीजिए कैसे यहाँ पे आएंगे Mall Road से?
Near Mall Road, Siali Mahadev, and near Manali Sweets.
Okay. और टाइमिंग क्या है आपका?
Timing 9 AM to 10 PM.
Okay. एक बार दिखाइए। Okay, thank you. We will be here. We'll come back again. Cheers.
Welcome to our country.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello friends, right now I am at Apple Country Resort, one of the best resort in Manali. It's actually nearby Old Manali, If you are here for leisure or even for work, this is the best property because they have huge lawn which is all surrounded by apple orchards and lots of different kind of fruits which generally you don't find in other parts of India. The food is amazing. I have already had my breakfast. I'm just checking in right now. Later on you will see how the room looks. We will do some videos in the rooms as well. I will show you my room, the restaurant, and as well the lawn area. So you can get the link in my video below. If you are interested about Manali or this property, you can get the website and directly book with them. I really recommend this property, and the best part is the staff here is always smiling and very courteous. So that's what the best thing I liked here. Thank you guys. So guys, this is my room. Today is the second day of our whole trip and the first day in Manali. Tomorrow early morning we are going to leave for Ladakh, for Leh. So I'm just checking in and I will just show you how my room looks. So this beautiful room is where I'm going to put up and stay for one night. This hotel is called, as you seen already while checking in, the hotel is called Apple Country Resort, sorry. And the name also has its significance because the whole area, the property is surrounded by apple orchards, and then there are also peach and apricot and different kind of gardens and plantation all around. And the view is just fabulous. It's already late evening. I'm really sorry I couldn't make the video while checking in because I was really busy with my data updating and other editing and collecting the footage. And then we have to do lots of packing because we are going for a long trip. We are not going by a flight. We are going from Manali to Sarchu, then from Sarchu to Leh. That will take 2 days. So there were lots of preparation, and a few of my friends are also first time. So there are lots of precautions and preparations to be made of. So that is why we are in the evening. But in the evening, even it's fabulous. It's really beautiful. You can see the whole Manali. That's down there is old Manali. Up there, that side is the Bashish side. You can also, if you go that side, you can see the new Manali area as well. This is completely the forest area. Down there, whole area is covered with apple and apple orchards, peach orchards, and then they grow cherries and other fruits as well, which usually you don't find in other parts of India. The balcony is the most fabulous thing, the most amazing thing of this room. So that is the reason, especially you have chosen this one. Cheers. So right now we are at the bar at Apple Country Resort in Manali. This is off season because, as you know, we are heading for Ladakh. So now the season for Ladakh is actually not the season in Himachal because all over India this is the rainy season. The monsoon has already arrived, another 1 month maximum. So it's raining most of the time. That's why it's empty, but it is a plus point for us because there are less people here, so we're enjoying our own time. We can play some nice music we would like to play and dance with. So today we are not really partying. I just wanted to show you the bar. If you are here in Manali, wanted to visit a club, a discotheque, a nice bar, or coming for a get together, this would be a very nice option. So right now we are not really partying today. This is our last night here in Manali. We are staying here for only one night. Tomorrow 5 o'clock in the morning we are leaving the property and heading for Sarchu, which is a beautiful valley, and we're gonna camp there. So that is the reason when we are not going to indulge ourselves in heavy drinking and partying really. It's just for a couple of drinks, and maybe we'll have our dinner, some snacks, and go to bed early and rise early, and tomorrow you will be watching some nice amazing videos from Trans-Himalayan journey of us. Cheers.